Hi Populist family, Steve Hamley here, Director of Operations of Populist Cleaning with Attraction Tidbit. Inspections. People don't like doing inspections and people don't like receiving news about inspections, typically. But inspections are an important part of the industry. Customers are doing inspections every day in the places that they work and spend more time there than they do sometimes at home. And account managers, area assistants, director of ops, operation managers are also going to be looking at your sites and checking for quality. So just know this is a part of the industry. It's not personal to you. We're doing it at all of our sites and we're coming back with thoughts and things that maybe you don't see every day as you're putting eyes on a space. So another set of eyes can be helpful and good. But thank you for your good work. I know you're working hard every day. You're putting in your best and we appreciate it.